The house. Here's the back of the house with the big wall. This is, look at Trooper next to it. He can't even get over the wall. Now we're gonna go around in front. Everybody's digging out already. Mary and Gary's. Oh my God. Look at the front of the house. Basketball net went down, actually broke. There's Austin's car. It's all up against the house. Holy cow. Mary and Gary are dug out. Wow. Streets are clear. Somewhat. Austin's car. Front doors. Wow, look at this. Well, I picked a fine year to give away my snow thrower. There's the front door. Look at that. Wild, isn't it? Alright. Got to get to cleaning it.